Okay, so you're curious about Bread Financial, right? You might have heard the name floating around, but you're not sure if they're a fintech company or not. Well, let's dive into that. What is Bread Financial? Bread Financial is a financial services company that's been around for a while, but they've recently rebranded themselves to focus on digital solutions. They offer a range of financial products, including credit cards, loans, and payment options. So, is Bread Financial a fintech company? That's a bit of a tricky question because it depends on how you define fintech. If you consider any company that uses technology to provide financial services as fintech, then the answer is yes. But if you have a narrower definition that focuses on innovative, disruptive technologies, then the answer might be no. Bread Financial definitely uses technology to deliver its services, but they're not necessarily pushing the boundaries of the industry. Their products are similar to what you'd find at a traditional bank, although they may be offered through digital channels. Bread Financial's products and services. Here's a quick overview of some of the financial products and services that Bread Financial offers. Credit cards. Bread Financial offers a variety of credit cards, including private label cards and co-branded cards with retailers like Lowe's and Kohl's. Loans. Bread Financial offers a variety of loans, including personal loans, auto loans, and home equity loans. Payment options. Bread Financial offers a number of payment options, including buy now, pay later, BNPL solutions. Bread Financial's competitors. Some of Bread Financial's competitors include American Express. American Express is a major credit card company that also offers a variety of other financial services. Discover. Discover is a credit card company that also offers personal loans and other financial products. Affirm. Affirm is a fintech company that specializes in BNPL solutions. Afterpay. Afterpay is a fintech company that specializes in BNPL solutions. Is Bread Financial a good choice for you? Whether or not Bread Financial is a good choice for you will depend on your individual needs and circumstances. If you're looking for a traditional bank with a wide range of products and services, then Bread Financial might not be the best option. However, if you're interested in a digital-first company with a focus on credit cards and payment options, then Bread Financial could be a good fit. So, is Bread Financial a fintech company? The answer is yes and no. It depends on how you define fintech. But regardless of how you classify them, Bread Financial is a well-established company that offers a variety of financial products and services. If you're looking for a new bank or credit card company, Bread Financial is definitely worth considering. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.